Hi there, my name is Tammy, and I'm here to show you Mobile Dispatch for GoldMine. Mobile Dispatch is a product that we here at the trainers created because we found our clients had a need to push appointment notifications out to on-the-road staff. So whether you have a sales staff or support staff on the road, you can now create appointments in GoldMine on their calendar and they would get a notification on their phone. So I'm going to show you how Mobile Dispatch works. So let's get started. So I have a record up here and I have some appointments already created on my calendar, but let's create a new one. I'm going to schedule an appointment to meet with Peggy and we're going to have a meeting to discuss their GoldMine project. So I want to make sure my reference is neat and clean as always, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick a different color here. We color code in our office based on appointment type, so if you do color code in the office, this is something that can be totally brought in through Mobile Dispatch. I'll show you in a minute how it'll look. So if I go ahead and I schedule that appointment, I don't have to do anything. Mobile Dispatch is scanning in the background, and once a new calendar appointment is created, it's going to send me an email. So if I was on the road, I would go to my mobile device, whether it be an iPhone, a BlackBerry, an Android, and I'm going to see that it's created a new email for me. So on my phone, I'm going to pull that in. I'm going to show you what it's going to look like if you were on the road on a phone. So I don't have a phone creator up here, but I've got a minimized web page. So this is what you would see. This would be the email you would get in whatever mail center you're using on your phone. And then if you clicked web view, it would take you to the contact details. So you can see here's the pink color that was scheduled that I used when I did the appointment. So if it was blue, this line would be blue. If it was yellow, this line would be yellow. And that's where the color code is brought in. So you can see the company name, the contact I'm meeting, their address. All these fields that are brought in can be totally customizable. So we can set up, when you purchase Mobile Dispatch, some of our customizations we can do for you. We can bring in any field in GoldMine for you that you wish for your on-the-road staff to see. So maybe you have an important status for your client and they need to see that. We can set that up for you. So that completely customizable. So this is what you would be viewing on your phone through your web browser. And from here you can update the notes. So if I'm at Peggy's, I've already met with her, I'm going to put in what happened. So the meeting went well. I just have some notes pre-done already, but I could type them out on my phone. Meeting went well. They requested a quote, or maybe I did a service appointment for them, fixed this. This was the outcome. I'm moving on to my next appointment. So if you're on the road, you would submit. And now this typically takes about 30 to 60 seconds. So what it's doing is it's going to send me back those notes that the on-the-road staff put in, and they're going to go into the GoldMine calendar appointment. So if I check the calendar here and I right-click zoom on my appointment, you can now see that we didn't put any notes in there. We just had the meeting to discuss GoldMine project, but now from the road I've updated saying the meeting went well and all those notes are there. So that's how Mobile Dispatch works. It really makes scheduling appointments and updating appointments from the road much easier. We use it here in our office. I love it. It works great. It's a great way for updates to be sent back and forth with minimal effort and can be done from anywhere using any mobile device with a web browser. So it doesn't matter if you have sales or support reps that use Blackberries or iPhones, Androids, it doesn't matter. Mobile Dispatch will work with all of them. So now if I just close my appointment, another thing with Mobile Dispatch is you can also set it up to send you a daily rundown of your appointments. So I'm not in the office, I'm on the road sales, and I want to know my appointments. Every morning we can set it up to send your staff member an appointment of their calls. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just run it. It normally runs this every morning, but this is how I'm going to run for this test environment here. So every morning I would go in to my email, I would see my email that was created for me by Mobile Dispatch, and it would show me, I'm not going to link it, all the meetings I have for today. So if you see on my calendar, we have Spacey Space Sprockets, Bedrock Roofing, and Acme Inc. Those are the calendar appointments I have for today. Today is Wednesday. So that's what I would see in the morning. And I also took a phone picture from my iPhone. So this is what you would get on your iPhone. So this is my iPhone. I took a picture before doing this meeting so that you could see. So if I were to scroll down on my phone, Acme Inc. would be below that. And then if I just click on this meeting with the phone, it would launch into that calendar view. This would be the web page that would open up in my Safari because I'm using Safari on my iPhone, and it would show me all that contact details and meeting details, any notes, and that's how I would update it. So this is mobile dispatch and how it works. Like I said, we love it in our office. So if you have any questions about mobile dispatch, feel free to contact us. We'd be happy to answer any questions that you have. You can contact us through our website at thetrainers.ca or give us a call at 905-820-1041. Thank you for taking the time out to listen today and take a little view of mobile dispatch, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks and have a great day.